I know you. You want to be healthy. You want to make your own medicine. You want to be self-sovereign, not dependent. This fire cider recipe is for you. Well, hello, beautiful people. I'm Janelle Hall. Welcome to the hallway where we make our own medicine. All you need are fruits, veggies, glass jars, and apple cider vinegar. Fire cider is a spicy vinegar-based concoction. That is good for helping kick colds that are just starting. It's good for keeping your body strong. It makes a delicious salad dressing. I always have citrus in my fire cider: oranges, lemons, limes, ginger. This is a beet, and I'm adding it for the first time. Look how gorgeous it is. I wanted to get a close-up of this beet because it is so vibrant, it is so alive, it is so vivacious. You just know it's gonna be good for the body. You just know it's gonna be good for the blood. And I'm really glad I incorporated this into the fire cider for the first time. Now, hence the name fire cider. This drink is going to be very potent. It is going to be very spicy. Why? Because those spices are what's good for your body, especially if you're trying to kick a cold. So yeah, we put onions in our fire cider. Raw, red onion. What happens is the substrate, the liquid that you put all of these amazing, nutritious, medicinal fruits and veggies in this case it's apple cider vinegar, is going to pull all of those nutrients and all of those healthy vitamins, minerals, all of those life-giving components that we want in our medicine, is gonna be pulled from the plant and go straight into the vinegar. Garlic is such a healthy medicinal plant. It is good for so many things: ear infections, gut health, blood pressure regulation. Here are some jalapeños that our neighbor grew organically. And of course, the baby's helping. It's so fun to chop all of these beautiful, colorful fruits and vegetables, put them in a jar, and top it with apple cider vinegar. I mean, how easy is this recipe? Now, the key to making a potent medicine is to let it sit. You are going to put your apple cider vinegar in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Don't forget to label. And don't forget to put a heart. Your medicines love when you put a heart on them. Shake it up. Add as your medicine is sitting and getting potent, you are gonna wanna shake it every now and then. Look at that color. The beets just turned this into a magnificent color. Now you can make your own fire cider at home. Thanks for joining us in the hallway. Have a beautiful, healthy day.